Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap halfway local and long-distance movers near me. Packing haphazardly will make you leave your stuff behind while moving long distance. Are you actually okay with living out of a couple of suitcases? No, right? Contact us at 3 Movers if you don't want the unnecessary stress of packing and loading boxes. We are known for our reliability and meeting our customers' relocations needs. Our expert movers will organize everything from packaging boxes, arranging a storage space to keep your stuff, and a transport vehicle to arranging all the certificates required for the move. We will ensure the safety of your possessions, right from packing to loading and delivering everything to your doorstep. We can help you get settled in your new place in a matter of few hours. Our team will take care of everything you need us to do. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our halfway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form